Zhuque, Vermilion Bird, Guardian of the South. Introduction. The four symbols of Chinese mythology, known as the Xixiang, each represent a cardinal direction, an element, and a season. Zhuque, the Vermilion Bird, is the guardian of the South, associated with fire and summer. Unlike Western phoenix myths, Zhuque is not a creature of rebirth through ashes, but rather a celestial being of nobility, virtue, and balance. 1. The role of Zhuque in mythology. Zhuque is often depicted as a graceful, fiery red bird with long tail feathers, sometimes mistaken for the feng huang, the Chinese phoenix. However, Zhuque is a divine spirit of the heavens, linked to the cosmic order and the forces of fire. In Taoist cosmology, Zhuque represents the South, one of the four cardinal directions. The season of summer, symbolizing warmth, vitality, and prosperity. The element of fire, linked to energy, passion, and transformation. Ancient texts describe Zhuque as a majestic bird that only appears in times of peace and prosperity, signifying harmony between heaven and earth. 2. Legends and stories of Zhuque. Zhuque and the balance of yin and yang. According to Taoist beliefs, Zhuque's fiery nature balances with Xuanwu, the black tortoise of the north, which represents water. This balance of fire and water is essential to the cosmic order, symbolizing how opposing forces create harmony. Zhuque versus feng huang, the phoenix myth. Many confuse Zhuque with feng huang, the Chinese phoenix. While they share similarities, feng huang is a separate mythological bird, often symbolizing the union of yin and yang. Zhuque, on the other hand, is strictly a guardian spirit of the heavens, appearing only when rulers are just and the world is in harmony. The legend of Zhuque's eternal flame. One ancient tale speaks of Zhuque residing in the Flame Mountains, a place where the bird's fire was so intense that it turned stones into molten gold. It was said that those who sought divine wisdom would travel there, and only those with a pure heart could witness Zhuque's true form. 3. Symbolism of Zhuque. Nobility and grace. Zhuque is linked to refinement, virtue, and high status. Transformation and fire. As a fire spirit, Zhuque represents change, passion, and enlightenment. Divine protection. It is believed that Zhuque watches over those who pursue truth and justice. Heavenly order. In Chinese astrology, Zhuque governs the southern sky and is connected to the Red Bird constellation, part of the Vermilion Bird star group. 4. Zhuque in modern culture. Feng Shui and spiritual practices. In Feng Shui, the Vermilion Bird represents openness and forward movement. Martial arts and literature. Zhuque appears in many wuxia novels and movies, often symbolizing a warrior's burning spirit. Anime and video games. Zhuque is a popular figure in Asian fantasy media, often portrayed as a phoenix-like creature or a divine firebird. Traditional festivals. Some Chinese festivals honor Zhuque by lighting lanterns and fires to symbolize its divine presence. Conclusion. Zhuque, the Vermilion Bird, is more than just a mythical creature. It is a symbol of power, virtue, and the burning force of transformation. As one of the four symbols, it plays a crucial role in Chinese cosmology, ensuring balance between fire and water, passion and wisdom. Would you like a detailed script for narration and visuals?